Welcome to HelloBar, the #1 conversion rate optimization tool for any type of website. Here's what some of our community members have seen just by using our simple pop-up tools. I'm excited to show you how you can leverage HelloBar too to get the best results from the traffic to your website. Let's dig in. This is the HelloBar Pop-Up Builder. Here, you'll be able to customize your pop-ups and make them match your site perfectly. The first step is to choose which goal you would like to accomplish using your pop-up. Do you want to collect emails or other information about contacts? Get phone calls directly from mobile visitors? Drive traffic to join your social media platforms? Target a specific URL? Or simply make an announcement? Regardless of what you'd like to do, HelloBar can help you accomplish that. For now, I'm going to choose to collect emails as my goal. HelloBar isn't just a top bar for your website. We actually have 5 different pop-up types that you can use. The classic bar, the modal, which covers the center of your screen, sliders, which come in from either side of your website, full page takeovers, or last but not least, alert bells that ring and catch the attention of your website visitors. On HelloBar, you can auto-detect the colors from your website, or you can choose from all of our templates pre-made and tested for conversions. Once you've selected the template that you prefer, you can swap out the text, change the font and the colors, as well as the image to make your pop-up match your site. Just by uploading my own GIF, adding in my own text, and changing fonts and colors, I've made my own perfect rendition of a pop-up. It's so simple. A lot of people think pop-ups are super spammy. The only reason they think that is they're seeing pop-ups that aren't timed in the right way. Or maybe they're just not targeted at the right person. On HelloBar, you're able to set up custom targeting rules to make sure that your pop-up shows to the right person at the right time and the right place on your website. You can target specific pop-ups towards ads, specific locations, you can target them based on date, and you can even do it based on the specific URL that someone is landing on your website. Last but not least, you'll want to make sure that every time you collect a new lead with HelloBar, it's sent straight to your email provider or CRM. This will make it so that you can automate welcome messages to your new leads and make the most out of your new contacts. It's super simple with HelloBar. All you'll do is select whichever email provider you're using, or you can get connected using Zapier. It's that simple to create pop-ups just like these. The opportunities are endless. So, how will you use HelloBar to grow your list, get more leads, and grow your social media following? I can't wait to see HelloBar up on your website. It's going to be so amazing.